All right, so number one is an addition problem. I'm going to start over to the right side. 5 plus 2. All right. 9 plus 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can only put your 5 down because you have digits in the hundreds place or to the left. So you're going to carry your 1. 8 plus 5. Well, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus the 1 gives you 14. And again, you have digits to the left, so you're going to carry instead of write down 14. 7 plus 1, and 1 plus nothing. All right, so your answer for number 1 is 18,457. Chat, give me a thumbs up. You got it right. Number 2 is subtraction. You must start in the upper right-hand corner. Like addition down here, we could do 2 plus 5. It's called the commutative property. It allows you to switch and flip and still get the same answer. But you do not have the commutative property in subtraction. You must start at the top. If I have 5 Alexis's and I subtract 6 of them, can I do it? No. So I'm going to borrow over my tens digit, which is going to be, this 8 is going to be a 7. In all actuality, you're borrowing a group of 10. It went from 85 now to 75, but you're really taking that 10 plus 5 to create the 15. So you're going to put a 1 here. And then you just subtract 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. And for those of you not familiar, I do touch points. There should be the same number of touch points for whatever number you're working on. So in 6, there should be 6 touch points. 7 minus 2. 7, 6, and 5. Yep. 0 minus 5. Cannot do. So you're going to borrow over here, makes this a 7. So again, you went from 80 to 70. And 10 plus 0 is 10. So there's your 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. 7 minus 1. And 7 minus nothing. So 76,559. Raise your hand, you got that one right. Okay, so subtraction continues to be a little bit of a problem. How about number 3? 4 times 2. 8. All right, this might be new for some of you. You're going to be working in the book on this in just a few days. So first of all, if you're not paying attention, make sure you're looking back here, right here. The bigger number is called there's a song about it. All about that bass, about that bass. Thank you. We got one person singing it. All right. The smaller number is the exponent, okay? The exponent tells you how many bases you need. So how many 3's do I need? And all I do is stick multiplication in the middle. What is 3 times 3? Your answer should not be 3 times 2 is 6. Not in exponents. It tells you you need 2 3's, multiply them, you get 9. Number 5, find the place value of the underlying digit. Every number has a decimal. 3 is in the ones, 2 is in the tens, 6 is in the hundreds, 5 is in the thousands, 1 is in the 10,000. I think you guys are doing the best that I've seen a class do on place value in a long time. So I really think we got that down. So, and for my 2 newbies, place values up there. You're going to start where the yellow is, and you're going to work to the left in the green. We don't worry about the orange and red right now. Okay? All right, round to the nearest thousands. Well, if you don't know where the thousands is, again, every number has a decimal. So then you are able to place a name to it. 3 is in the 1, 5 is in the 10, 6 is in the hundreds, and 5 is in the thousands, right? What's my neighbor rules? Yeah, so the neighbor's higher than 5, you're going to plus 1. So if it's 0 through 4, the underlying number you keep. But if it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which in this case it's a 6, so you're going to take the underlying number and you're going to add a 1 to it. So here's the underlying number. What's 5 plus 1? What happens to all numbers after? Perfect. All right, Halloween candy. You go trick or treating. You dump out all your candy. Alexa's favorite or Alyssa's favorite is Snickers. I can tell by her look in her eyes. It's Snickers. Am I right? Oh, see. All right, so she has. This is where I said the other day. Use underlines, triangles, circles, and squares around the like terms to make your life easier. So tell me, if I start with an underline, what else can I underline that's like? Which three? This one or this one? Yes. Yes. Okay. And there's one other. So five. So we're just going to go in order of operations. Do these first. What's 2 plus 5? 7. 7 minus 3. I think you got every number in the, except for the correct one. 4. Now watch what happens. This is where everybody kind of messes up. Cross off the 2 because you're done. Cross off the 5 because you're done. And you did the minus 3. Bring whatever you haven't done down. But before we do this, tell me, is 3x and x similar or like? Yes, they are. They have the same variable. So I'll put a circle around those, which means I can combine those. So I have a negative 3x plus x. In theory, I can combine these, and that's going to give me a 4 minus 2x. Because this is 3x. This is a negative 3. And if I have a negative 3, oh, wait. Yeah, negative 3, that's going to be negative 2x. That's correct. It's not going to be 4, even though a lot of you are like, oh, 3 plus x is 4. You have a negative right here. Okay? And the last problem, what does perimeter mean to do? So, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Not just 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters. All right.